Everyone wants clear, glowing skin, but let's be honest, being a teenager with skin problems is exhausting. One day your skin is fine, the next day, boom, breakouts, texture, oil, dryness, everything at once. And sometimes you think, I'm already doing skincare, so why is my skin getting worse? The truth is, it's not always about what you don't do. It's often about the mistakes you don't even realize you're making. So today, we're talking about skincare mistakes every teen should avoid. The small habits that slowly ruin your skin without you noticing. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, overwashing your face. When you have oily or acne-prone skin, it feels logical to wash your face all the time. Morning, afternoon, night, sometimes even more. But here's the problem. Washing too often strips your skin's natural oils. And when your skin loses those oils, it panics. So it produces even more oil to protect itself. That's how you end up with clogged pores, more breakouts, and irritated skin. The solution is simple. Wash your face twice a day only, morning and night, using a gentle cleanser. Clean skin doesn't mean squeaky clean. It means balanced. Mistake number 2, skipping sunscreen. A lot of teens think sunscreen is only for the beach or hot sunny days, or worse, only for adults. But UV damage starts young. Sun exposure can make acne scars darker, slow down healing, and cause premature aging, even when it's cloudy, even when you're indoors. UV rays can go through windows. So yes, SPF is not optional. Use sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every single day. Think of sunscreen as protection, not extra skincare. Your future skin will thank you. Mistake number 3, using too many products at once. Skincare is fun. New serums, toners, actives, it's tempting to try everything. But more products don't mean better skin. Using too many actives like retinol, salicylic acid, AHA, or vitamin C at the same time can damage your skin barrier. That leads to redness, irritation, breakouts, and sensitivity. If you're a teen, your skin does not need a complicated routine. Stick to the basics. Gentle cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. If you want to add treatments, do it slowly, one at a time. Skincare is not a race. Mistake number 4, picking your skin. Let's be real. Everyone does it. You see a pimple, you touch it, you feel texture, you pick it. But picking your skin causes inflammation, infection, and scarring. It makes pimples last longer and heal worse. Instead of picking, use a spot treatment. Benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid works way better than your fingers. Healing skin needs patience, not pressure. Mistake number 5, sleeping with makeup on. No matter how tired you are, sleeping with makeup on is one of the worst things you can do to your skin. Makeup clogs pores and traps dirt and bacteria, and at night, your skin needs to breathe and repair itself. Always remove your makeup before bed. Use micellar water or makeup remover, then cleanse your face. It takes 5 minutes, but saves your skin. Mistake number 6, thinking moisturizer causes acne. This is a big myth. A lot of teens with oily skin skip moisturizer because they're scared of breakouts, but when your skin is dehydrated, it produces more oil to compensate. That's how you get oily and acne-prone skin. Choose a lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Hydrated skin is balanced skin. Mistake number 7, changing products too quickly. Skincare needs time. Real results usually take 4 to 6 weeks. If you switch products every few days, you'll never know what actually works. Worse, you confuse your skin. Pick a routine and stick with it. Consistency is more important than trends. Mistake number 8, ignoring hygiene. Your pillowcase, makeup brushes, phone screen, they all collect bacteria. And that bacteria goes straight to your skin. Clean your makeup brushes at least once a week. Change your pillowcase regularly. Wipe your phone screen. Clear skin is not just about products, it's about habits. Mistake number 9, thinking food doesn't affect your skin. What you eat can show up on your face. Too much sugar, dairy, or greasy food can trigger breakouts for some people. You don't have to be perfect. Just try to balance your meals with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. And drink water. Hydration helps your skin look plump, calm, and healthy. Mistake number 10, expecting perfect skin. This might be the most important one. Your skin doesn't need to be flawless to be healthy. Breakouts happen, texture happens, hormones happen. Skincare is about caring for your skin, not punishing it. Be gentle, be patient, progress over perfection. Taking care of your skin as a teen doesn't have to be complicated. Avoid these common mistakes, build healthy habits, and your skin will slowly start to improve. Remember, your skin is learning just like you are.